welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. For today's video, I'm not exactly sure what I've captioned this. Either it's going to be what's in my bag, what's in my work bag, or the new Marc Jacobs tote bag, because it's all kind of a combination of one. So if you are interested in any of those type of titles for this video, just keep on watching. Okay, so this morning I had a delivery from Marc Jacobs. I ordered their new tote bag only about 3 days ago, so it got here really quick. I think it actually came from America and I live in Ireland, so that was very quick delivery. So this is what the bag looks like here. Oh my god, I am so obsessed. I think it is so gorgeous. Anyone I had shown a picture to wasn't exactly like sure what they thought about it. The fact that it said the tote bag in such big writing on the front. But personally, I love it. I obviously would do anything to have the Christian Dior tote bag. I'll leave a picture of it here somewhere on the screen. But that's way too expensive for me. This was more within my price range. This was €220 and I actually bought it because I wanted to be my new work bag. So I literally just transferred everything that I had in my old bag and put it into this one. So I'm going to show you everything that I keep in this bag and exactly what it holds. So it's going to be kind of a review. I actually still have the tag on it because it literally only arrived about 2 hours ago, so I haven't even really got to look at it much because I've been filming all morning. The bag was also available in lots of other colours. Originally I did want this bag for my birthday as a present for my boyfriend, but they were sold out and I had emailed Marc Jacobs and they said it wouldn't be coming back in stock. I was so devastated because I really wanted to get it. They do have a smaller version. Hang on, I think my camera is just slightly zoomed in. Oh, opposite way, so you can see a little bit better. This is the larger version. You can get a small one with smaller straps and it actually comes with a crossbody strap as well. But because I knew I was going to be using this as my work bag, I decided to go for the larger one. And just by fluke, the other night I was online on Marc Jacobs and I was like, oh, okay, I'll just check and see if it's there. And it was. Bought it instantly, and like I said, I got here in 3 days. So I'm so happy I finally have it. So I'm just going to dive on into the bag, share with you what is inside my handbag. I always find these videos really interesting. I think a bag kind of tells a lot about a person. I know that might sound weird, but I have a lot going on in here. So the zip, actually, I might as well make this a whole review about this bag. It's a really sturdy, durable zip. I'll do a whole clip of this. It's not metal, it's kind of like a plastic, I don't know what you'd call it, but it just seems really nice. It's very soft. So inside my bag I have, what will I start with? Okay, I have this little red Elizabeth Arden makeup bag, but in this bag I have all my girly type of bits. I've got a hairbrush, a little pocket-sized hairbrush. I've got some mints. You always have to have some mints on you. I have another type of comb. I have some nail files. I have hair bobbins, hair clips, and I think I have a perfume in here, if I'm right. Yes, I have my mini pocket-sized Jo Malone perfume in here as well. I don't like to have these type of things just kind of thrown into my bag. It gets very messy, so that's why I have it in this little makeup bag here. I've also kind of like color coded my bag. I know that sounds so sad, but for my job I have to have this huge folder here to keep track of my mileage. My job is on the road, I travel, so in this here is all my like planner for what I'm going to do in work, my mileage sheets, everything like that. This is actually Karl Lagerfeld. It is gorgeous. I don't know if it's actually meant to be for a laptop or an iPad, or if it's just like an oversized clutch, but I keep all of my paperwork in here for work, and it literally just says Karl Lagerfeld all over it. I love it. I got this in Kildare Village here in Ireland, in the outlets, and I think it was only about €50, so it's really handy, perfect size to slot into a bag like this if you are looking for something for like an iPad. And they had loads of other types and you can get them online. Karl Lagerfeld and Marc Jacobs are my favorite designers. I'm so obsessed, so to have the two together just makes me really happy. But the whole color coding thing, the fact that that was red and then this is red, it just makes sense. It just looks pretty when I look into my bag. I know you can all slag me in the comments, but it just looks good to me. The next item, I have my Marc Jacobs purse. This is really cute and tiny. I actually got this in Nordstrom Rack in New York last year, and this was only $60 or $40. Very inexpensive. It literally fits everything. It has space for coins and cards inside, and it's Marc Jacobs, so it matches my bag. Really nice. I'll just do a little close-up here. Very simple. I love the leather of it. It's really soft, and it doesn't seem to be wearing, so yeah, I love that. The next item, I have my Sage Pocket Pharmacy. These are essential oils. Sorry, this bag is just getting a little bit heavy. I'm gonna take it off. So I got this when I was in Canada last year. I swear by essential oils, so I actually do need to buy more of these online, except the delivery is very expensive, so I'm just trying to wait until I use these up fully. But basically all it is they're mini essential oils, and it's for the likes of headaches, for indigestion, for stress, pain release, for your immune, and it comes like this. I'll just show you a little close up. I will leave this website linked below. When I say these work, like, it's actually like a miracle. You would swear you're taking medicine. I have really bad reactions to gluten and dairy, so the what's it called, Eater's Digest one is really good for me. I also suffer from migraines, so the Peppermint Halo is really nice. And this is just really handy to have, especially when I'm out on the road on work, if I ever feel a headache or something coming on. Just use a little bit of essential oils. I absolutely love them. I think they're amazing, and they come in this really cute little purse as well, so it keeps it nice and clean in your handbag. The next thing I have is just my lanyard for work. It just has my key to let me in and out of all the buildings. Then next, of course, it's still a pandemic. We all have to be staying clean, so I have my little hand sanitizer as well as one of my face masks. I do use the disposable ones the odd time, but I think it's just better for the environment to use the reusable ones. I got these from a shop in Dublin called Costello & Costello. I will link them below. They have so many different types of prints. I have a leopard print one, I have a pink one, I have a grey one. I think I might have another one, I can't remember, but at the minute this is just the one I had the other day. They're only €9, so really inexpensive, and they are reusable. So I will have that website linked below if you are still looking for some face masks. And then on the other side there is, let's see if the camera will pick it up, there is two little compartments here you can see. So that's where I had my hand sanitizer, my face mask, and then on this side here I just have my glasses. Fun fact about me, I actually need to wear glasses 24/7. I just don't wear them for my videos. I'm not like, I can see the camera in front of me, but in the distance it's all a blur. So I have my glasses, I have my phone, and I have my Swarovski pen just to keep track of all of my mileage. Like I said, it's always good to have a pen in your ride as well. You don't know when you're going to need to write something down. But I think that's everything that I have in my bag. Very big bag. As you can see, it fits a lot. I feel like it's a very like Mary Poppins style bag, so I'm so happy with it. I just think it's so stunning, very simple. I just love the whole detailing to it. It has a really nice little thing in the back here that says the Marc Jacobs logo. So that is everything that is inside my brand new Marc Jacobs tote bag. I love the whole style of it. Of course I had to go for a neutral tone just because it goes with everything in my wardrobe. It actually looks quite nice with the shirt I have on at the minute. But I will leave the link to the Marc Jacobs website linked below. And there's loads of other colours. There's black, blue, pink. I think there could be a beige one with a bit of black leather. But if you're more into the neutral side, I highly recommend going for this one. Like I said, there is two sizes for this bag. I haven't seen the smaller one in person, but I just think this one is the perfect type of size. It fits everything. You can use this for an overnight bag, a traveling bag, whatever you're feeling. But yeah, I so love this bag. I'm very happy with it. Okay guys, and that was it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed seeing what was inside my bag. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything else you would like to see here on my channel. And like I said at the start, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. And like always guys, I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye guys.